Okay, so listen, this problem is your fault because on the last lesson, lesson 19.4, y'all looked so bored, okay? So I had to find something that was a little more exciting, okay? All right, here we go. Here's your exciting problem. We're doing volume. This is number 10. Yes, it's a cylinder. Yes, we're doing volume. So you're going to write volume equals capital B times H. Volume equals, replace capital B with a big old set of parentheses. All right, I heard cylinder, at least I thought I heard cylinder. Cylinder, you find the area formula of the base, which is radius squared times pi. All right, and we're just gonna plug in, oh crappage, look, we're missing the radius. Okay, but look, this height is perpendicular to that base, okay, this is a right angle right here. And I smell Pythagorean Theorem. Yes, we're going to have to go ahead and draw in, okay, here's your diameter hitting your circle. All right, we're going to draw in this right triangle, all right, and then we're going to find this missing side right here. I told you it smells like Pythagorean Theorem, so it's going to be c squared equals a squared plus b squared, all right. 19.3 is across from the 90, so that's your C value, okay? This can be A or B, so I'll just make it be A. And look, you're missing this diameter right here, so that is going to be your B value. All right, let's plug these babies in. So C is 19.3, that's the hypotenuse, we're going to square it. Put your equal sign. A is your 9.5. Don't forget to square it. Plus B squared. All right? And I'm going to go ahead and put the rest of the formula up here. So you're going to go 19.3, hit the squared button, and this is going to be 372.49. All right? I'm continuing this formula up here. Equal sign, 9.5, I'm going to square it, and I get 90.25 plus b squared, okay? Remember, when you're missing a leg, I know this is kind of morbid, when you're missing a leg, it was cut off, let's say. You were missing a leg, so you're going to cut, you're going to subtract when you're trying to find a leg. You're missing a leg. All right, so now I'm going to subtract 372.49 minus 90.25, and I get 282.2 is b squared. You square root, so now I'm going to square root 282.2. And I get 16.8. So your B value is 16.8. But now remember, we need the radius. The 16.8 is that complete diameter. So in order for me to have the radius, since that's the diameter, you're going to take the 16.8, where's room, 16.8, and divide it by dose. All right, I know someone's quicker than me. 16.8 divided by dose. And I get 8.4, so 8.4 will be your radius. We are now good to go. Okay, volume is base times height. Take your 8.4, here's your 8.4. You're gonna square that baby, times 3.14. Don't forget that that height in your volume formula is the height of the cylinder from base to base, so that's the 9.5. All right, here comes the party. All right, 8.4 times 8.4, and I get 70.56. We're going to multiply that by pi, 3.14, and we're going to multiply by the height, 9.5. You know I like to rewrite it. You don't have that much work to do, honestly, so you should be taking your time writing all this out. And we have a winner of 2104. All right, 2104, I'm going to round it to 2105. So 2,105 and meters, and we're filling it, so cubed. All right, take a moment, talk to me. Hopefully this is clicking. All right, we're good. Okay, I want to do one more. I have a verbal problem. I know if I don't do them, you guys, once you see all that English and math, you're like, I am not doing that. So let's just try one verbal problem. Don't get dizzy there with me moving this all around. So we're still on the same page, but let's do English to math. Math, I guess, is my strong point. English is not a lot of times. So it's good for me to practice. Hey, plus it takes our mind off of things right now. If you got things you're worried about, the best way of a distraction, man, is math, okay? Because math can be done right now. We're good, we got this. Okay, I read you a story today. Yeah, this afternoon, let me read you a story. If a cylinder has a height of 7 inches and a volume of 2,908.33 inches cubed, find its diameter. Okay, well, couple things. Right away, go volume. Cylinder is the same as the prism, big B times H. Cylinder has a circular base, or a circle base, so we got to replace this. Remember how I like to do the big old set of parentheses? We're going to put the area formula for a circle, so that's radius squared times pi. You cannot tell me what I've done so far is difficult. I don't believe you, okay? You can read that, you can pull out the word volume, you can write the volume formula, we're good to go, okay? Did they give you the volume? They did. So where V is, I'm going to put 2,908.33. Put an equal sign, okay? They did not give me the diameter, they did not give me the radius, so leave radius alone. Pi is pi, 3.14. Did they give you the height of the cylinder? The height is 7 inches, so put 7 right here. And folks, you know it before I even say it, we're going back to Algebra 1, okay? So you're going to divide both sides. We're solving for R. This is why we spent so much time on equations. I know if you were stuck with me your freshman year, yeah, we did a lot on equations. Okay, so here we go, calculator time. 2,908.33 divided by 3.14. I get the magic number of 926. All right, I'm going to put 926. The pi's have dropped out. You're now left with 7r squared. So you're going to divide by 7, divide by 7. Okay? Who can beat me to that? Come on, there's always someone that's quicker than me. All right? 926 divided by 7. All right? And I get 132. Okay? So I'm going to write it over here. 132 equals r squared. What's that? Oh yeah, don't let that r squared bother you. You know exactly. To unsquare something, you're going to do square root. So the square root of 132. And I get 11.5. Okay? So your radius is 11.5 after you square root. And please don't do a Mr. Mac, okay? I tend to get really hyper, and I'm, oh, I got it. But wait a minute. Did they want the radius? Oh, no. I got to pay attention. Sometimes I get so hyper. I'm so excited that I got it. So I got to take that radius, and I've got to double it. Remember, because the radius is half the diameter. So 11.5, you're going to double that baby. All right, and you're going to get the diameter is 23. Come back, it was in inches. The reason why I don't put inches cubed is I'm not finding the volume, I'm finding the diameter. Okay? All right, talk to me. I don't know, I think volume is pretty easy. All right? Okay, this is lesson 20.4, geometry. Please take it easy. See ya.